G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are making a sunrise mimosa.
Welcome back to Morning Mimosa.
This recipe calls for orange juice, Prosecco, Grenadine and a glacé cherry. Into a margarita glass, add a little bit of ice, a drizzle of Grenadine around the sides, .90 ml of orange juice, pop your cherry in and then top up. Garnish with a wheel of dried citrus, just plonk that on the top there. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time. Oops.